In this video, we're gonna show you the one single most important step for how you can make more money online without having to increase the traffic to your website, without having to raise the prices of your product, and without having to optimize a single thing on your site. Stay tuned. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Andrew Robert. I am a 29-year-old online marketer who loves info products, who loves affiliate marketing, who loves anything passive income related. So what we're gonna talk to you about is the one tip that completely changed my business, okay? And that's how to make more money without having to do any of these extra things that everybody tells you you need to focus on. All right, let me tell you guys a story that is gonna explain exactly what we're talking about and make this super simple for you guys, all right? This is my product's website. We had a video up top, all right? This video was a sales video. All this did was sell the customer and get them to buy our product. So right down below, we had a big button that says buy. We had a really good video that would sell prospects, cold prospects specifically, on buying our $37 product. Now, this is where it gets interesting, okay? So we were paying Mr. Zuckerberg, Instagram, and YouTube. We're getting leads from all of these sites to view our product for $37 so we could make one sale, all right? It cost us $5 for every customer that we got to our website. We would spend $5, okay, on this website, which was selling an information product, okay, meaning didn't cost us money to ship anything. It was completely digital. It wasn't costing us warehousing, other employees, anything like that. It was about 95% profit aside from the ads. So $5 is what we were spending to get a customer to the website. Now the website converted at 10%, and that was a $37 product. 10% conversion. Every $5 we put in, we got $3.70 out. Now I know this sounds insane. It sounds like, why would you run a business where you put $5 in, you get $3.70 out? All of these websites right here, we were spending $500 in ads. Remember, it cost us $5 a customer. $500 in ads, 100 customers that we would get to the site. So 100 people. Of those 100 people, only 10% of them would buy the product. So we spend $500. Out of 100 people, 10%, which is 10, buy a $37 product. That's how we get $370. I put $500 into this system, and out the other side came $370. So that's like me telling you, okay, hey, every time you're gonna give me $5, I'm gonna turn around and give you $3.70. Not a good business model. You tell me that, I'm never gonna give you any money. How can we make more money without having to change one thing on the website, without having to increase the amount of traffic we're sending, because the traffic we're sending is losing us money, and without having to raise our prices, okay? We didn't wanna raise the price from $37 to any higher. What we realized was, we're sending this audience right to this page. Whether they buy or not, we're praying, we're hoping that they buy. And if they do, we're excited. We have their email, their buyers, we're very excited. If they don't, we lose them forever. Okay, they run away, they're gone. So being the smart marketers that we were, we came up with a new plan, all right? Watch this. So this new plan looked a little bit different. Instead of sending cold traffic right to the page, we decided to put a squeeze page before our offer. We offered a customer a product of value that they would like, that they were interested in, for their email. That is the only thing that we're asking for, is their email. So now, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, boom, boom, boom. We were sending all that traffic to a bridge page before they went to the actual purchase page. Now you might be asking yourself, well, what the heck does a bridge page have to do with me making more money? Well, it's all right here. You've heard the money is in the list, the money is in the follow-up. So we're gonna write our first business model down below in red here, okay? Remember, the first business model is, you give me $5 and I give you $3.70 back. Terrible deal. We're gonna keep that right here so we remember that. That's number one. So with this new method, we're still spending $5 per customer, okay? We're still spending $5 over here to get somebody into the system. But the difference is, the people that don't buy, now we send them emails. Now when people, whether they buy or not, they leave the page, we now send them an email follow-up, okay? Saying, hey, boom, you should go back and buy this product. boom, you should go back and buy this product. Hey, here's another reason why you should go buy this product, and here's a fourth reason why you should go buy this product. While we're doing this, what we noticed, we only had 10 people that originally bought on that page. Most people did not buy. Now as we send these emails from this email sequence, we got an additional 15 people to buy. So now we just got over double the money on this follow-up sequence that we sent. 15 more people went back to the page and bought the product. They say the average person needs to interact with a brand 7 times on minimum to make a sale. Keep that in mind when you're looking at this process. We didn't optimize our ads. Our cost is the same. We didn't change our traffic, okay? Our traffic is the exact same. We're still sending 100 people through this, okay? 100 people. What we did was we increased our follow-up. So let's see, originally I was making $370 off 10 people. Well, now I got another 15 people to buy. So the math on that is $555. So my total profit is now $925. Instead of putting $5 in and only making $3.70 out, we just completely changed this whole method to now, do the math, we put $5 in, and what's happening is now we're getting $9.25 back out. That is how you increase the profitability of a business, okay? Just from merely a follow-up standpoint. What we realized was more than half the people are gonna buy on the back end. So with this model, we now have 25 people that bought out of 100, okay? So now we have a 25% conversion rate. So our average customer was giving us $3.70, and now our business is doing this. That same $5 customer now gives us $9.25. So what you're looking at is a business that was failing, okay, that was losing money. $5 in, $3.70 out, is now producing a profit. Every time I put $5 in this machine, I'm getting $9.25 out. That's almost a 2-to-1 ratio. I spend $500 on the front end to get 100 customers, and on the back end, I make $925. $500 to $925. We took a company that wasn't profitable and we made it profitable with one simple tweak that you guys need to implement in your business, all right? Implement this system alone, I guarantee you, you will make at least double the money. At least double the money. We see about a 5x return on this, and I'll tell you why. So what happens is if you want to take this to the next level, there's a key point that you guys have to focus on, okay? I'm gonna erase this for you guys. So what we realized was instead of that one customer being worth $9 to us, what we found once we started tracking this information was a completely different story. We already knew that for every $1 we spent, we could put in the machine and it would give us approximately $2 out. We were already doubling our money at this point. So at this point, you know, every $5 we spend, we make $9.25. So simplify that to every dollar, we get $2 out. If I tell you that you can do this, you spend $1 today, I give you $2 tomorrow, how much money are you gonna put in? You're gonna put in $1 million, as much as you can get a hold of, you're gonna put into this. If I tell you give me $1 today, I'll give you $2 tomorrow, you're gonna give me as much money as you can. What we found out was, through sending those customers emails, okay, through a long-term follow-up, what we realized that initial lead that was costing us $5 to bring in, okay, we noticed over the course of 6 months, that same lead was worth $25, okay? $25 is what we were making. So no longer is this $1 in and $2 out. We started tracking our stats and realized, holy crap, this business is $1 in, $5 out. That is one of the biggest factors that help us blow up our business without changing the amount of traffic. We're still doing the same YouTube videos, the same ads. We didn't even optimize the site or change it. We didn't even change the prices to make them higher to get more money from people. All we did was realize over the course of 6 months, we started tracking how much money was actually coming back to us. The more that we tracked, the more it allowed us to spend. Because originally I was like, damn, I'm spending $5 for every customer and I'm losing. I'm making $3.70 back. This is costing me money. We need to tweak the funnel. We need to increase traffic to get more buyers. We need to do, what I realized was that was all crap. I needed to handle the buyers that I had because these people that bought from me once, they buy a $37 product, whatever it is, or even they don't buy. The point is I collected their email. And what happened was each of those emails started giving me money, more money, more money, more money, more money. So what you guys gotta realize is track your follow-up, okay? Understand what is the lifetime value of your customer. Once you understand the lifetime value, that if I spend $5 to get a customer and over 6 months I make $25 back, I'm gonna spend as much money as I can. I'm gonna spend $1 million and make $5 million back. So at this point, once your offer is good, you're collecting the emails, you're able to market to them for the long term. After that point, that's when you start to see the real money in your business come in. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you got some value out of this, please drop a like. Let me know if you're implementing this. It is extremely simple. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, you better be collecting emails. Whether you're selling info products like we were, our own $37 product, you better collect emails and have the ability to market those people. You've already paid for the lead once. The Facebook ad, you paid $5, you got them in your system. You have that email for life. It is worth way more to you than $5. It is worth way more to you to that initial sale, whether they buy or not. Especially if you're an affiliate marketer and you're selling a product, they tend to not buy the product right when they hit that page immediately. That's okay. You're gonna warm them up, you're gonna offer them the product again, you're gonna do it again, you're gonna do it again, you're gonna offer them a different product, you're gonna be providing value, and what you're gonna start to notice is that that customer that was once worth $3 to you is now worth $10 to you. And then they're worth $25 to you. This is how you take your company and you 10x it, okay, over the next year by adding one simple thing. Thank you guys so much. My name is Andrew Robert. If you got any value out of this, please leave a like, leave a comment, drop a sub. We'd love to have you join the Real Passive Income family. Thank you guys so much. Andrew out.